Welcome to our IBM I tutorial. Today, we're diving into the %days built-in function and its usage in RPGLE programming. Let's explore an example where %days is used to manipulate dates by adding a specific number of days. Firstly, curDate captures the current system date using %date. This function returns the date in ISO format regardless of the input format. So, curDate displays current date is November 7th, 2024. Now, this line calculates a date that is 4 days after the current system date using %days, and stores it in the variable nextDate, that is, November 11th, 2024 in the ISO format. In summary, %days is a powerful function in IBM RPGLE that allows you to easily add a specified number of days to a date. This flexibility is essential for date manipulation and reporting tasks with IBM I applications. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on %days, a built-in function in IBM I RPGLE by programmers.io. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more IBM I RPGLE tutorials. Don't forget to check out our other videos for further insights into RPGLE programming on IBM I.